Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the elements tree. The elements tree is what you can access from this button over here. You can see it says elements tree, and when you click on it, it shows you an element tree of whatever is being displayed in the workspace. That's how the web development works. HTML. That's how HTML works. So everything is a hierarchical tree. Like one element may contain multiple elements, and then they can contain multiple elements. So it goes on like that in a tree. So that's basically what the system is showing here. You can search for elements like that, um, or you can for each element you can actually edit them like this, and this will bring up the element designer. And if we go, you can clone elements, um, as you can see over here. You can delete them and undo. Yeah, so these are the common operations. The more advanced operation in this case would be to move the elements, so you can actually grab them like this with the mouse or with the mobile touch interface, and then you can drop them in wherever you want, and then you can undo if you don't like it. So yeah, these are the basics. So one thing to note here, you can actually expand and collapse everything, or you can expand individual sections like this. And whenever you click on something, and if you can go back to the elements tree here, so this basically shows you the component element tree. It's a little bit different from the root element tree. So you can see here, this shows from the root, but then when you go into the component and then you go into the component elements tree, it shows you only from that home component. So yeah, I mean, and this is also you can do whatever you want with just like the regular view. And whenever you're dropping something, let's say we want to add a new element, you can add it from here or here, doesn't really matter. So let's say we want to add an image, and this one, everything is closed. So I'm going to be adding an image. So if I want to expand a certain section, I need to hover over it, and then it expands like that, and then I can go into it, and then I can place it somewhere there. So you can see I can have exact control as to where I want the element to appear. One last thing to note is the elements tree is particularly useful if you actually end up making something invisible, which can happen during web development. So in this case, for example, let's take this heading element and set the display to none. So now I can't really find it from the user interface here, but I can always go into the elements tree, and then from here I can see that it's over here, and I can actually restore it or edit it in whatever way I want. All right, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.